Hello my friends, hope all you're doing well. Look who's back with me. LJ, say hi LJ. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers too. We are very excited about this video, aren't we, LJ? Yeah. Yeah. Today we are participating in a Christmas dessert collaboration with my friend Chef Tovia over at Cooking with Tovia. We have no idea what kind of dessert Chef Tovia is making, but it's going to be amazing. Are you a fan of chocolate and mint? Then y'all going to enjoy these chocolate mint cupcakes. These are the bomb.com. It's so yummy, full of chocolate and mint goodness. It is super moist, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. You like chocolate mint, LJ? And everybody will enjoy these cupcakes for your holiday parties coming up. Yeah. So grab your chocolate, your cupcake liners, and your mint extract sugar, because we're about to what? What are we going to do, LJ? Bake some chocolate mint cupcake. Yeah. We're about to bake some chocolate mint cupcake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my medium saucepan, I'm boiling 1 cup of water. And we're going to add in 5 ounces of unsweetened baking chocolate that I chopped. Going to give that a quick stir. And we're going to stir it until the chocolate melts. Alright my friends, the chocolate is nice and melted. So next, we're going to add in 1/3 of a cup of mascarpone cheese. We're going to stir the mascarpone cheese until it melts, and then we're going to let it cool. And while this cools, we can go ahead and get started on the cupcake batter. Alright my friends, for the wet ingredients, in my large bowl I have 3 jumbo eggs at room temperature. And we're going to add in 1 cup of canola oil, 2 1/4 cups of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cocoa extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of mint extract. And we're going to mix everything until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in the cool mascarpone chocolate and water mixture. These cupcakes are going to be so moist and chocolatey and minty. And again, we're going to mix until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up the wet ingredients. Nice and chocolatey, and I can smell the mint extract. Oh, and that was 1 teaspoon of mint extract I put in, not 1/2. That looks good and it smells great. Alright, so next we're going to add in the dry ingredients. I have 3 cups of self-rising flour plus 1 teaspoon of baking soda that's sifted, and I added 1 cup of chocolate mint chips. We're going to add them in a little at a time and just fold the flour in and the chocolate chips. And I stirred the chocolate mint chips into the flour so that way it won't sink down in the bottom of the cupcake. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring the flour into the chocolate batter, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring the flour into the batter. So now we're ready to fill the cupcakes. I have my cupcake pan with 12 cupcake liners. We're going to fill them up 3/4 of a way. Alright my friends, I'm through filling up my cupcake liners. Now we're ready to bake them. We're going to bake it in the preheated 325-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake. Alright my friends, I have taken my chocolate mint cupcakes out of the oven. And it smells incredible up in this kitchen. Ain't nothing like the smell of chocolate and mint. Lovely. Alright, now we're going to let the cupcakes cool completely, and while they're cooling, we can get started on our mint cream cheese frosting. Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese and 1 stick, which is 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, both to room temperature. We're going to cream these until it's nice and fluffy. Alright, my friends, to the cream cheese and butter, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of mint extract, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. My friends, look at that beautiful green color. Looks amazing. Alright, for the final ingredient, we're going to slowly add 1 16-ounce box of powdered sugar that's sifted. And blend this in until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, our cupcakes is nice and cool, and I put it on my Christmas platter. Now we're ready to ice them. Alright, my friends, I'm almost through icing my cupcakes. So I'm using my piping bag with a 1M piping tip. We're just going to go round and around. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish icing the rest of my cupcakes, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through icing my cupcake, and for the final step, I have some leftover mint chocolate chips, and we're going to put 2 of chocolate and 2 mints, just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting the mint chocolate chips on my cupcakes, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it, chocolate mint cupcakes. Don't that look gorgeous? Alright, now I'm about to fix me up a plate, and I'll give it a taste. Alright, here we go. Mmm. Yum. Oh. Oh, so moist, it's falling apart. Chocolate mint goodness. And that mascarpone cheese makes the difference. Please don't skip that. These cupcakes are amazing. If y'all love chocolate and mint, y'all will fall in love with these cupcakes. Chocolate mint-licious. Did you have fun, LJ? Thank you for joining me today. I love you. Wow, Chef Tovia, we had a wonderful time doing this collaboration with you. I'll post a link to his channel and to his dessert recipe down below in the description box. Well, my friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when our new videos come out. And we'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat and Merry Christmas! And happy holidays. Say bye, LJ.